Hello students and welcome to University Experience, a 4-week class, and I'm glad you all are here, and I'm sorry there was a little bit of a delay in getting you this video. I normally try to have a video for you first thing Monday morning. Leggett and Platt Center here on campus lost power, and because they lost power, several buildings across campus lost internet, so we've just gotten it back, so I'm getting this to you to get you started. So please watch this video. You will have a lot of questions answered that you may miss otherwise. And in the next 4 weeks, please watch each video I put up for, again, the same reasons. So I keep them short, but I try to also keep them helpful. So, all right, so where to begin? This is normally an 8-week class. It's worth 1 credit hour. It's being condensed into 4 weeks, so we are going to have a very busy 4 weeks, a very busy month of June, all right? It is, I don't know that you'll be successful if you try to do all the work for every week on the weekend. I encourage you to, in fact, I would say that it is probably necessary for you to kind of spread that workload out through the week. My point being, don't wait till Saturday or Sunday to do things for this class. There's just too much going on. So, all right. Your course home, we're in the class right now. I'm in the student view here, student preview mode, so you'll see things. So I'm looking at things exactly how you'll see them. First up is the course home area. And in the course home area, you will find a syllabus, and please read that. Not all the way through. There's not going to be a test, but there is important information in the syllabus. I'll go ahead and open that up for us. The learning objectives are first. Got some information, some course information there. You should expect to spend approximately 11 hours per week to get all the work done in this class. So that's a lot to save for the weekend. So I wouldn't recommend saving the work for the weekend. This little course interaction statement is important, and it is in all internet courses at Missouri Southern. It gives you kind of the expectations on how you can expect me to interact with you throughout this course. Internet courses at Missouri Southern are not correspondence courses, and they're not self-paced, so both of us, or me and you, are expected to participate and engage in academic activities throughout. So this kind of gives you exactly how I'll be interacting with you. Here's the points possible section. So this is all the assignments you'll be turning in for the course for a total of 750 points. And those are listed there. Here is the how grades will be assigned. So the point range to earn an A, a B, etc. Those are listed there. And there are 75 points in bonus points possible in this course. So, and we'll talk about those later. All right, so that's your syllabus. Please give that a look over. And the course schedule. Hold on, Blackboard's working here. Oh, there we go. The course schedule. We've got an outline of all assignments per week in the class. So these are all the materials. The review materials are all the materials you'll be responsible for reviewing for that week's activities. These are all the activities or assignments that will be turned in by the end of the week. Due dates for some things are not the end of the week. Due dates for some things are in the middle of the week, and I don't have those listed here, but I do have those listed in the course calendar, which you'll see in the Blackboard site, and I'll take you to that in a minute. But so this is what we'll be packing into the 4 weeks of this course. Dun, 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 dun. If you ever need we're still in the course home area. If you ever need assistance in any online course here at Southern, you'll find this student assistance piece in your class in the course home area. And there's a document here attached, and it gives you instructions of what to follow. You know, if you're not hearing back from an instructor or something isn't working in a course. So please be aware the student assistance piece is in all your internet courses here at Southern. Here's the course calendar I was telling you about, and if you click on that, it will populate, and I'm kind of in a cramped view here, so you can't see things as well as you might. But you'll notice over here, this color is assigned to this class, and all of these little boxes here represent due dates for items in this class. All right. Now this calendar will show all of your courses for the term, right? So if you've got other internet classes, the due dates for those classes, now not trad classes, traditional classes, those won't show up here, but other internet classes, your instructors should have electronic due dates in the classes, and the assignments for those classes should show up in this calendar all in one place. And this calendar link is also something that should be available in all of your internet classes at Southern. So if it's not, you can request that your instructor make that available to you. The My Grades area is where you will find your grades as they are posted. Up at the top I've got your total points and then a running percentage, so you can kind of see your percentage as you turn things in. And then the assignment should run in order from top to bottom. All right, and I've got little descriptions that you can read for each assignment, and everything with a rubric. Please view the rubric before you submit the assignment, because the rubric is what I'll be using to award your points for the assignment. So it can save you a lot of trouble if you check out that rubric before you submit your final work for me. You'll have a clear understanding of what I expect for that assignment. And so this is the My Grades area, and I'm sure you'll be spending a lot of time in there keeping up with how you're doing in the class. I promise to have things graded at the very latest 7 days after the due date. Probably sooner, just because this is such a condensed time period for a class. There is a student resources section here, and you'll find plenty of nice things. some Blackboard tutorials. You may have a class that requires proctored exams, and they'll ask you to download the Respondus Lockdown browser. So please note that the download link for the browser is located in this student resources area in the digital library. You've got to download the Respondus Lockdown browser from a very specific link, so just FYI. If you need tutoring in any of your classes, follow this link to make an appointment with a tutor. And they can tutor at a distance now, so you don't have to be on campus to get tutoring. And a link to the Spivot library. All right, let's get into it for this class. Now, co-curricular participation. We highly encourage you, if you are local, to find a summer event and attend it, something on campus. You know, we believe that you getting involved in the campus and meeting people and establishing relationships is very beneficial to your odds of retaining as a student and completing your degree. So we place a very high value on this. However, it is not required. This is not required. This is for bonus points if you do it. So if you can find an event, up to 2 events this summer to attend here on campus, you can earn, I think it's 25 points for each event, for a total of 50 bonus points. Once you attend an event, there are 2 co-curricular participation forms here, and you click this link and you fill out the you click this link to the form here, complete the form, submit it in this area, and I will grade it, and you'll be awarded bonus points. Okay? So, once again, the co-curricular participation is not mandatory. You can earn extra credit by doing it. Discussions will be in this area here. At the very top is an Ask Your Instructor forum. If you have any questions about the course, or you're running into any technical difficulties, or have questions about due dates or anything like that, post a question to this Ask Your Instructor forum. I'll get an email alert that you've posted there, and I can answer it, and everybody, all the other students can benefit from your question and my answer. If someone posts a question and you happen to know the answer, please chime in. If you click the subscribe button here, you will receive an email alert whenever someone posts to the forum. Oops. Okay, before we get into week 1, I'm going to go ahead and shut this video down. So we'll call this video kind of a little introduction to the course and some of the different parts of the course. I'm going to put another one up right now that takes you into kind of the week 1 activities. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.